Good morning, children. How are you? Hope all of you are fine. In today's class, we are going to learn the place values. Okay. Now, I am going to write some numbers on the blackboard. Name those numbers. మీకోసం నేను బోర్డు పైన ఒక నెంబర్ రాశాను. ఆ నెంబర్ యొక్క నేమ్ చెప్పండి. వెరీ గుడ్. చెప్పండి. దిస్ ఈజ్ 176, isn't it? Okay. Next. Now I am going to write one another number. Write the number name for this number. How can you read this number? దీన్ని ఎలా చదువుతారు? Very good. 152. Now I am going to write the number name for that number. 152. Isn't it? Very good. One 136. Okay. What is this number? 150. Isn't it? What is this number? 189. What is this number? 145. Isn't it, children? All of you know how to write the number names up to 200. In the last class, we learned how to write the number names up to 200. In all these numbers, how many hundreds are there? ఈ నెంబర్స్ అన్నిట్లోని ఎన్ని హండ్రెడ్స్ ఉన్నాయి? ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ద ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్ ఈస్ 176. దీన్ని మనం ఎలా చదువుతున్నాము? 176. That means how many hundreds are there? దాన్ని ఎలా చదువుతున్నాము? మనం చదివే దాంట్లోనే ఉంది ఎన్ని హండ్రెడ్స్ అని మనమే చదువుతున్నాం. What is this number? 176. That means how many hundreds are there? How many hundreds are there? మనం చదివే దాంట్లోనే ఉంది ఎన్ని హండ్రెడ్స్ ఉన్నాయి? That is 100. 70. How many tens are there? 70 means ఎన్ని టెన్స్ వేస్తే 70 అవుతుందండి? ఎన్ని టెన్స్ వేయాలి 70కి? 7 tens are 70. So 170 means how many tens are there? 7 tens. How many ones are there? 6 ones are there. మనం చదివే నెంబర్లోనే మనం రాసేటటువంటి నెంబర్ నేమ్లోనే హౌ మెనీ హండ్రెడ్స్ ఉన్నాయో చెప్పచ్చు, హౌ మెనీ టెన్స్ ఉన్నాయో చెప్పచ్చు, హౌ మెనీ వన్స్ ఉన్నాయో మనము చెప్పచ్చు. అగైన్ ఐ విల్ గివ్ యూ వన్ అనదర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫర్ యూ. 279. What is this number? Yes, very good. 279. 279. While we are reading, how many hundreds are there? మనం చదివేటప్పుడు దాంట్లో ఎన్ని హండ్రెడ్స్ చదువుతున్నాము? How can you read this one? 200. So that means how many hundreds are there in this number? How many hundreds are there? Very good. How many hundreds are there? 200s. 200s are there. Again, read the number. Read this number. 279. 70 means how many tens are there? 70. For 70, how many tens are there? 70 కి ఎన్ని టెన్స్ వేస్తే 70 అవుతుంది? ఎన్ని టెన్స్? వెరీ గుడ్. ఫర్ 7 టెన్స్. హౌ మెనీ వన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్? 9 వన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. సో మనం చదివే దాంట్లోనే హండ్రెడ్స్ ఎన్నో చెప్తున్నాం, టెన్స్ ఎన్నో చెప్తున్నాం, వన్స్ ఎన్నో చెప్తున్నాం. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, నౌ ఐ విల్ గివ్ యూ వన్ అనదర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫర్ యూ. 185. 185. హౌ కెన్ యూ రీడ్ దిస్ నెంబర్? దీన్ని మనం ఎలా చదువుతాము? వెరీ గుడ్. 185. 100. హౌ మెనీ హండ్రెడ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్? రీడింగ్ చేసేటప్పుడు మనం రీడింగ్ చేసేటప్పుడు చెప్పేయచ్చు హౌ మెనీ హండ్రెడ్స్ ఉన్నాయో. ఎన్ని హండ్రెడ్స్ ఉన్నాయి? ఎన్ని హండ్రెడ్స్ చెప్తున్నాం మనము? వెరీ గుడ్. 189 అంటున్నాం. సో హౌ మెనీ హండ్రెడ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్? 100 ఈస్ దేర్. వెరీ గుడ్. 80. 80 అంటున్నాం. 80లో ఎన్ని టెన్స్ ఉన్నాయి? 80. 8 టెన్స్ ఆర్ 80. సో హౌ మెనీ టెన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్? 8 టెన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. హౌ మెనీ వన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్? There are 5 ones are there. Love you understand children? 174. 174. Children, how many hundreds are there in this number? Read this number loudly. గట్టిగా చెప్పండి నెంబర్ ఎంతో? 174. So how many hundreds are there? How many hundreds are there? Very good. 100 is there. So how many hundreds are there? 100 is there. How many tens are there? 174. 70. How many tens are there? For 70, 7 tens are 70. That's why there are 7 tens are there. How many ones are there? 4 ones are there. Children, simply we can say how many hundreds, how many tens, how many ones in a number. Simply I will give one shortcut for you. For example, 179. 179. Always the first number is ones place. Always the first number is in ones place. మొదటి నెంబర్ ఎప్పుడు ఏ ప్లేస్లో ఉంటుందంటే వన్స్ ప్లేస్లో ఉంటుంది. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద సింపుల్ షార్ట్ కట్. ఓకే. ఆల్వేస్ ద సెకండ్ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ tens place. Always the second number is in tens place. Always the third number is in hundreds place. That means how many hundreds are there in this 179? 179. How many hundreds are there in 179? There are 100 is there. So 100 is there. 7 tens are there. 9 ones are there. Okay children, I will give you one another example. 246. What is the shortcut I told you? What is the shortcut? Very good. Always the first number is in ones place. Very good. Always the first number is in ones place. Always the second number is in tens place. Always the third number is in hundreds place. Okay, children. So what is this number? 246. 246. So how many hundreds are there? There are 200. How many hundreds are there? There are 200s are there. How many tens are there? How many tens are there? 4 tens are there. How many ones are there? 6 ones are there. Okay, children. Next, I will give you another example. Yes, I told you one shortcut. Always the first place is which place? Very good. Always the first place is ones place. Always the second place is very good, tens place. Always the third place is hundreds place. Okay, children. What is this number? 329. 329. So how many hundreds are there? How many hundreds are there? 3 hundreds are there. How many tens are there? 2 tens are there. How many ones are there? 9 ones are there. Okay, children. Now I will give you another example. So always the first place is ones place. Always the second place is tens place. Always the third place is hundreds place. Isn't it? So how many hundreds are there in 152? How many hundreds are there? What is the hundreds place? What is the number in hundreds place? Very good. Here in hundreds place there is 1. So 100 is there. How many tens is there? What is the number in the tens place? 35 is there. That's why 5 tens are there. How many ones are there? There are 2 ones. Okay, children. I will give you another example. 198. 198. How many hundreds are there? Very good, very good. There is 100. How many tens are there? How many hundreds are there? 100. How many tens are there? 9 tens are there. How many ones are there? 8 ones are there. Okay, children. Okay. How many ones are there in this 198? How many ones are there? ఇందులో ఎన్ని ones ఉన్నాయి? I already told you the first place is always ones. So how many ones are there? There are 8 ones are there. How many tens are there? The second place is always tens. So how many tens are there? There are 9 tens are there. The third place is always hundreds. So how many hundreds are there? There is only 100 is there. Have you understand, children? Okay. Now open your textbook at page number 13. Okay, children. So look at this problem. Fill in the boxes. So read this number carefully. What is this number? This is 132. 132. How many hundreds are there? 100. So 1 is 100. How many tens are there? 3 tens. How many ones are there? 2 ones. I already explained in a short form. Always the first number is always the first number is ones. Always the second number is tens. Always the third number is hundreds. Okay, children. Like this, now we are going to complete this task. So what is this number? 152. 152. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద నెంబర్ ఇన్ వన్స్ ప్లేస్? వన్స్ ప్లేస్లో ఉన్నటువంటి నెంబర్ ఎంత? ఆల్వేస్ ద ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ వన్స్ ప్లేస్. దట్ మీన్స్ 2 ఈజ్ ఇన్ వన్స్ ప్లేస్. సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ 2 ones. What is the number in tens place? Tens place means always the second place is tens. Rendu places tens place kabatti what is the number in the tens place? Very good, that is 5 tens. What is the hundreds place? Always the third number is in hundreds place. We can write like this. Otherwise we can write like this also. 161. 161. How many hundreds are there? 161. How many hundreds are there? 100 is there. 60 means how many tens are there in 60? 60 lo any tens unnai? There are 6 tens are there. How many ones are there? One is there. We can also write like this. There are two methods to write the place values. So one method is always the first place value is ones. So there are 4 ones. Always the second place value is tens. There are 7 tens. Always the third value is 1. What I am saying, that from left to right only. లెఫ్ట్ టు రైట్. నేను ఎడమ నుంచి కుడివైపుకు వన్స్ ప్లేస్, టెన్స్ ప్లేస్, 100 ప్లేస్ చెప్తున్నాను. ఫస్ట్ ప్లేస్, సెకండ్ ప్లేస్, థర్డ్ ప్లేస్ అని చెప్పడం కూడా ఫ్రమ్ లెఫ్ట్ టు రైట్ ఓన్లీ. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ నెంబర్? 144. 144. హౌ మెనీ హండ్రెడ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్? 100. సో 140. 40. హౌ మెనీ టెన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఇన్ 40? How many tens are there in 40? There are 4 tens in 40. 4 ones are 4. So look at this number. So what is the first place value? What is the first number placed in? First number ఏది place అయ్యింది? 8. So the first number is always placed in which place? Ones place. So we can write 8 ones. The second number is placed in tens place. So what is the second number? 9. So there are 9 tens. How many hundreds are there? There is 100. Okay children, here 131. How many ones are there? Always the first place is ones place. So how many ones are there? There is 1. How many threes are there? There is how many tens are there? Where the 3 is placed in? 3 అనేది ఏ ప్లేస్లో ప్లేస్ అయి ఉంది? వెరీ గుడ్, 3 is placed in tens place. So how many tens are there? 3 tens are there. How many hundreds are there? 100 is there. Okay children, 140. So how many ones are there? 0 ones are there. How many tens are there? 4 tens are there. How many hundreds are there? 100 is there. Next again 160. What is the number placed in ones place? Ones place లో ఉన్నటువంటి నెంబర్ ఎంత? Always the first place is ones place. So 0 is placed in ones place. How many tens are there? What is the number placed in tens place? Tens place లో ఉన్నటువంటి నెంబర్ ఏది? Tens place అంటే ఎన్నో ప్లేసు? Second place is the tens place. That's why there are 6 tens are there. What is the third place? Third place is always hundreds place. So what is the number placed in hundreds place? Very good, that is 1. The last example, 185. How many ones are there? 5 ones are there. How many tens are there? 8 tens are there. How many hundreds are there? 100 is there. Okay children, all of you understand how to write the place values? Okay, if there is any doubts, I will clarify in the next class. Bye.